Welcome to my class. Lesson learn about sentences. Sentence is: I am painting the fence outside. I am painting the fence outside. The next sentence is: I clean my glasses. I clean my glasses. The next sentence is: I clean the table. I clean the table. The next sentence is: I feel happy when I see my family. The next sentence is: I have left the house. I have left the house. The next sentence is: I have listened to music. I have listened to music. The next sentence is: I have taken a shower. I have taken a shower. The next sentence is: I put the cup on the table. I put the cup on the table. The next sentence is: I read the newspaper. I read the newspaper. The next sentence is: I rub my eyes gently. I rub my eyes gently. The next sentence is: I sit near the window. I sit near the window. The next sentence is: I spilled my coffee. I spilled my coffee. The next sentence is: I stay home if it rains. I stay home if it rains. The next sentence is: I traveled last week. I traveled last week. The next sentence is: I turn off the TV. I turn off the TV. The next sentence is: I turn the page. I turn the page. The next sentence is: I watch people outside. I watch people outside. The next sentence is: I wear a jacket. I wear a jacket.